Dipali. Welcome to the DC show. Today we have with us the adorable and my dearest friend Arohi Patel.
Hello. Hi.
You enjoyed Soul. What's up?
I'm good.
So what's happening? What's up? What did you do during the whole lockdown?
So, during the lockdown, I cooked a lot and I ate a lot and I slept a lot and that's it. I watched a lot and that's it.
Watched a lot of what?
Watched a lot of series, a lot of movies. Every 3 days there was this new series I was binging. So yeah, that's that. I don't remember doing anything else. But then I remembered that since last year I have been exercising a lot. I was on diet and I just thought that this is a vacation time now. So I'll just do anything that I want, and I just did that.
Acha, tell me, you've been watching a lot of web series and a lot of things are happening. So what do you think? Do you really think that you should invest more time for web series instead of films or something on those lines? Because
As an actor?
Yeah, as an actor.
See, web series once in a while is nice. It gives you the scope to perform something which you have not performed till date. But at the same time, I don't think there is a return of investment जितना हिंदी में होता है. Gujarati में I don't think there is that much of return that you get. So once in a while it's good as an actor, but I don't think it's itna good as a producer abhi in Gujarati.
Nice. So you did this whole cute breakup related web series, non-alcoholic breakup. Tell me what actually, I know the Arohi already, but what I'm going to ask is what Arohi is this? Is this the person who breaks up a lot of times or the person who actually gives shelter and the shoulder to the friend कि भैया आ जा बैठ ले खा ले पी ले?
मैं कंधा हूँ. मैं दैट इज द बेसिक टैगलाइन. अगर मेरे लिए कोई ऐसा बोले कि तेरे लिए टैगलाइन क्या है तो आई जस्ट से मैं कंधा हूँ फॉर ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स. सो अंतरा भी वैसी ही थी जो लवनी भवाई में, और वैसे इसमें भी ऐसा था कि मैं कंधा थी. उसमें तो ब्रेकअप करवा रही थी, इसमें तो ब्रेकअप का सहारा हूँ मैं. बट या सो वैसी मतलब मैं वैसी हूँ कि इफ अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन इज गोइंग थ्रू सम शिट आई विल ऑलवेज बी देयर.
Yeah, but then there's this format in the whole in the films that you've done. But why always pick up a film wherein you're either asking people to just separate, this is not the thing that you should do, or you are telling people that okay, come here, let's just talk about this. But why such? Why is Antara or Arohi or any other characters, they were not in a relationship, that too happily?
आई डोंट नो. मतलब ऐसी फिल्में आ रही है जिसमें
You like certain films?
नो ऐसी फिल्में जिसकी स्टोरी लाइन अच्छी होती है उसमें कैरेक्टर ऐसा ही होता है कि जो हु इज गोइंग थ्रू सम रिलेशनशिप क्राइसिस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई डू आई गिव सच वाइब्स. आई डोंट नो.
Acha, tell me, which is the lame reason ever you've understood or you've got to know because of which your friends or people have broken up?
आई गेस मेरा एक फ्रेंड था जिसने एक दिन का रिलेशनशिप किया था. दूसरे दिन उसको ऐसा हुआ कि वो स्पार्क नहीं आ रहा है. And I was like, it's just been one day. Why did you even get into the relationship if there was no spark? What is this? तो उसने बोला कि नहीं, मुझे पहले लगा कि अच्छा है पर अब नहीं है, तो मैं ब्रेकअप कैसे करूँ. मैंने कहा कि अरे एक ही दिन हुआ है, मैं कैसे तुझे हेल्प करूँ इसमें. दैट वाज रियली लेम. मतलब अगर आप रिलेशनशिप में हो तो स्पार्क कैसे एक ही दिन में चला जाए. आई डोंट नो.
No, but then do you generally know? Have you been in a relationship in general?
I've been very close to being in a relationship, if that makes sense. I don't know. मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि you feel that this might be the one, and then there's this really good friendship that's going on, and there's this you really feel that oh my god, this is it, and then you suddenly realize कि नहीं ये तो सब झूठ था. मतलब रिलेशनशिप में आने से पहले ही चीटेड फील हो जाता है. ऐसा हुआ है.
एक बार हुआ है.
हाँ, एक बार हुआ है.
So tell me more about when we talk about films. So what really happens is, I think it's quite early to ask at this stage about the film industry and nepotism. But do you get to face that तुमको मिल जाएगा because you're from the industry and things like that?
हाँ, I do.
You get to hear?
Yeah, I do.
But how do you take it? Do you take it with a pinch of salt, or do you take it personally and then you? I don't think so.
No, I don't take it personally. See, everybody has their own struggles and their own journeys, and I'm really sure that all the people who are from outside, they would have faced a lot more than I have ever faced. I also believe that it's just the one step that you get easily and they don't, and I really feel for them. I really try कि जितने भी लोग को मैं जानती हूँ, I always recommend them to other people, and I do my best to even help them out. So that one step is easy, but then after that it all depends on audience. It all depends on how the audience take it, or all of that. So I don't think I can explain this to everybody who thinks like this. So it's just fine. Whatever people think, it's their thoughts, it's their belief about me, and it's fine. I just trust the audience to love me, and वो लोग हैं तब तक मैं हूँ, और वो लोग चलाएंगे मेरे को तब तक मैं चलूँगी. That's it.
Nice. When you talk about audience, when you talk about followers, fans, social media, I would want to know what is that one annoying thing that your fans do that you really, I mean, you just get completely pissed off with that.
I don't know. They think that चाल जीविले ये कि online link मांगकर I will have that online link A, and B, they think that I will help them in piracy. Whenever they ask me about the link, it's really annoying कि इसकी link कहीं मिल सकती है, लवनी भवाई की link मिल सकती है, इसकी link, and I'm like, dude, you go to the theaters and watch. Don't do this to us. So that is the most annoying thing about fans, and I think it's not just my fans, it's anybody's fans who does this.
When you sign a film, what are those 5 things that you look at and then sign a film, except money?
I genuinely see money as the last thing that I see. Script is the foremost thing that I see. One line can be nice, screenplay can have loopholes, and that is very important for me to find out. So screenplay and script is the first thing. Secondly, I see the director and the producer. डायरेक्टर इसीलिए क्योंकि विजन उनका होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली द डायरेक्टर. थर्ड, प्रोड्यूसर, क्योंकि after the film is made, there are so many good films which did not reach the audience, which is really important, at least in Gujarati industry, कि audience को पहुंचने के लिए producer is really important. फिर कोई भी पैसे दे दे वो producer हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Producer has to be a part of every decision that is being made on sets, post set or pre set, whatever it is. और ऑडियंस को पहुंचने के लिए मार्केटिंग इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड वो मार्केटिंग टीम वो प्रोड्यूसर डिसाइड करती है, एंड इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि वो हो. तो दोज ऑल थिंग्स आई वॉच बिफोर आई से येस टू अ फिल्म.
Okay, tell me one such personal moment that you would want to relive.
I guess the whole college life, because we were together all the time in the canteen, eating a lot and not gaining weight at all. So those are really easygoing days of my life, and I really want to relive them again.
Acha, so tell me what according to you is the most underrated work till the time since the time you've started?
I guess underrated, I would feel Premji was underrated. It was a really bold script, and it was critically acclaimed, but I really wish that I don't know, maybe if audience accepted it, because it was really bold and it really needed guts to be made. The whole script was really, I don't know, eye-opener for me also. So I guess that was underrated.
All right. So what are the plans for the coming year? Because this year looks completely doomed. So what is the next year bucket?
I don't know, maybe just focus on the release of the film that we've already shot, me and Malhar, our film. Apart from that, I really want to do good films, but then there are no scripts as of now that I'm working on. And I have always made myself clear about the fact that I want to produce a lot of things, lot of good content. So let's see, I am really planning right now to produce good content that can, I don't know, maybe OTT platform or theaters, I don't know about that, but I really want to make a space for myself there also.
When you talk about producing, so there's this other side of you that you also edit.
Edit, yeah.
So tell me something more about it so that people get to know. Of course, they know that she edits, but what all is the expertise is what I would want to know.
Okay, so I started way back, like 8 years back, and I have done making of the films which not even the actors of those films know about. Like I did Ventilators making, the film Ventilators में, and Pratik Gandhi still does not know that I did that. So
It's a revelation.
yeah, and the expertise, I don't know, I've just practiced a lot, and matlab, I feel that as an editor it really helped me to perform as an actor, because then when it comes to continuity or when it comes to the angles and everything, I would always know कि क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ पे हो रहा है, ऐसा. So that really helped me as an actor also.
Who do you think you would want to work with next in terms of directors, in terms of co-actors?
I'm not okay. Director Abhishek Jain, for sure. I've always been vocal about that. I always wanted to work with Abhishek Jain because that is the reason I was really. He is the reason कि I'm really. I got inclined towards Gujarati cinema. KV Rite Jaishwar Beyar के बाद I was really fascinated by the fact कि Gujarati films भी ऐसी हो सकती है. When it comes to co-actors, I think Gaurav Paswala would be nice. I've heard that he's a very professional actor and very professional person to work with, so that would be nice. Apart from
Gaurav Paswala, this is for you.
apart from that, I feel Bhavya is really sweet. It would be really interesting to work with him also. So yeah.
If you ever get arrested, what will it be for?
For I don't know, stealing food from the restaurant.
Why would you steal?
I can do that. I have the potential to do that. But yeah, for stealing food from the restaurant, also for not wearing masks. Sometime I forgot. I always forget to wear mask. बाहर निकलने के बाद मैं वापस मुझे घर जाना ही पड़ता है to wear mask again. For playing PUBG, क्योंकि अभी भी phone में थोड़ा थोड़ा चल रहा है PUBG, and I might play now. I already मतलब खेल भी लिया हो, किसको पता.
Look at her.
but yeah, because that's illegal now, guys. That's illegal. So you cannot play PUBG, but उसके लिए मुझे arrest करने में आ सकता है.
All right. Okay. So one last question. This is a bit not personal, but then which are the directors that you would not want to work with?
See, you cannot judge a director by the bad films because वो script का भी होता है. So I cannot judge a director because of its bad script. So I don't know. Maybe if a director comes up with a good script, I might work. So I really don't know.
Okay. So Arohi, this is Sach Bol. We have 5 questions in this. You have to answer 3 or you can answer 5, any one of them, but you have to answer them truthfully. Sach bolna hai isme. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, you go with the Sach Bol.
Has someone close to you ever used you in any way for their personal gain? Not for their personal gain, but yeah, there are many people who have used me for their ऐसे होता है ना कि कोई होता नहीं है बात करने के लिए, then they just talk to.
Basically कंधा ही हो तुम जीवन भर.
और फिर जब सब अच्छा हो जाता है, then they suddenly forget you and they vanish. So yeah, वैसा बहुत हुआ है. उसके बाद मैं दूर ही रहती हूँ लोगों से. Have you ever found out that one of your friends was leaking stories about you? No, never. None of my friends do that. They are so protective about me. So they've never done this. और अगर जिसने भी किया हो तो वो मेरा friend ही नहीं होगा ना. तो अगर जो है तो. When was the last time you went out on a date? I've never been on a date. See, I swear, I have never been on a date.
Please, someone take her out on a date wearing a mask and having a sanitizer in the hand. Please, this is जनहित में जा रही है.
I don't know date कैसे होते हैं. I don't even understand the concept of dating.
So I can actually come up with a contest here. Do this. If you do all of this, go out on a date with Arohi at her place.
You will have to वो करना पड़ेगा आपको. Moderate करना पड़ेगा.
I will. I'll choose the profiles right.
Done. Who are you most linked up with, Malhar? I've always been asked that if are you and Malhar close? Do you guys have something going on? And I'm like, dude, you cannot say that. क्योंकि me and Malhar, we have this purest bond. It's so innocent क्योंकि हम लोग एक दूसरे को मतलब मैं तो बचपन से उनको जानती हूँ. तो
I think
our
people
parents
don't know the whole
yeah,
story.
so our parents have been friends since the beginning. So when Malhar was born, my parents went to visit his parents in the hospital. So that is how close they all are. So I cannot even imagine myself with him because it's really pure and our friendship is very innocent, very very innocent. But it's okay, guys. You have seen us on screen, so you might feel that. How much money have you made? किसमें?
In total,
In total,
you can give me an approx amount, not necessarily.
see, everybody would think that कि बहुत कमा रहे हैं ये लोग and all of that. I just have 20 lakhs in my account जो अभी FD करवा ली है. तो अब I am back to zero, guys. If you have any work, please give me. लॉकडाउन में सब FD करवा लिया मैंने कहा खर्चा ही नहीं करना है ना.
Looking at how lockdown was, crisis was, it's better
And
that you
it's well
save.
saved. हाँ तो वो करवा लिया है मैंने.
Nice. Thank you so much for all your time, Arohi. It was pleasure having you
It
here.
was so fun.
It was?
Yeah, it was. It was really.
Thank you. Thank you for the such.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.